The hydraulic clutch systems on most late model vehicles use a plastic clutch line that is tough to modify and may be suspect in high heat, high pressure situations when using an upgraded clutch and pressure plate. Earl's new stainless steel and aluminum adapter fittings allow the use of pre-made stainless braided PTFE lined hose instead of the OEM plastic clutch line. Earl's new adapters make it easy to mix and match OEM and aftermarket parts when doing an engine swap or building a race car. These adapters are available in several styles to fit most OEM late model master cylinders, slave cylinders, or hydraulic clutch release bearings. Earl's adapters fit most 2009 and older GM hydraulic clutch components, as well as 2006 and older Jeep Mopar vehicles with the OEM plastic clutch lines. These adapters easily fit into factory master and slave cylinders. Simply drive out the row pin and the old adapter pops out. Now you can slide in our new Earl's adapter. Make sure to use some lube on the O-ring. Earl's even has adapters that fit most late model Ford, GM, Jeep, Mopar hydraulic clutch components. These are retained by a C-clip that install just as easy. For those of you with Tremec T56 transmissions, Earl's adapter fittings makes easy work of installing a 4AN stainless steel hose assembly to your T56 without the removal of the transmission. This quick connect style fitting has been engineered to clip into the gold anodized tube on the release bearing, just as the OEM clutch line did. A removal tool is also included so you can remove the OEM hose. These adapters also fit many other vehicles. Be sure to check your hydraulic clutch components to make sure you get the appropriate adapters that work on your application. Sold individually so you can get the right adapters for your custom clutch setup. Thanks for watching. For all your plumbing needs, look to Earl's Performance Plumbing at earls.com.